Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see what is range validator do. The previous video I explained required field validator. In the range validator we can this validation control we can check the assigned control having the value within the specified range or not. For example, if you're checking the age, it should be above 18 and above, like 18 to above. If you enter like 17, it should give a message to the client. Okay, if you are trying to enter salary or something like anything, it checks the range from where to where it should be, or like that. Okay, let's see an example of this range validator control. Let's open our Visual Studio, new website. So we can name it as range validator. Go to design mode. Now what I will do is I just use one text box, one more text box, and one button. In front of our first text box I just write like age, and salary. For this button control, just enter like submit. Okay, so what I do is go to your toolbox. You see a validation tab here. Just drag and drop your range validator and even required field validator for both of them, and validation summary. Okay, so now we need to give the validation control, I mean what this validation range validator goes to. It goes to text box 1, so just enter that, and required field validator goes to text box 1. Okay, as I worked on required field validator in the previous video, you can see that, but I just cover a little bit of that. So just put star. Let's keep an error message like age between 18 to 45. Okay, you see a property like maximum value like 45 and minimum value 18. Okay, you see properties for that to give directly here. Let's give star here. Let's text as star, so it's good, it looks good. And age is compulsory. Whatever message you want you can keep there, and you just keep text star, and go to range validator of second range validators, and star error message property as salary should be 1000 and above. Just give like 1000, and let's take 3000, because the type of this range validator is integer, so we need to take like 3000 below 3. Okay, we change, so let's work on this. Required field validator, salary is needed, and star. Okay, now we are done for whatever we want to do. Let's debug. When you when you try to submit your form without entering anything, you see error like age is compulsory, salary is needed. Okay, so what I'll do is I just enter 12 and 500. So age between 18 to 45, salary should be 1000 and above. Let's give 1200, age between 18 to 45. Okay, 44. So there are no errors here. So before that, I will show an example, simple example, how we can show our error messages to our users. So let's go and see a thing here like show message box as true. Okay, let's try how it works now. When I click here, you see error message like age is compulsory and a box, that is called a box. You can hide this thing. If you are using message box, you need to hide that. If you are using validation summary, let's go and hide that. Just show summary is false, and let's go and run our thing here. Okay, age is compulsory, and when I enter like 45, like 43, salary is needed, 100, salary should not be done. Okay, so 1200, it's submitted. Okay, that's all for the range validator control. You see a range, I mean regular expression and remaining validation controls in our next videos. See you there. Bye bye.